Finding the amount of an ordinary annuity on the Texas Instruments BAII Plus calculator. Now, an ordinary annuity means that the payments are made at the end of the period. Now, for the most part, we're going to use that third row of buttons, but first we have to make sure we're in the correct mode. I'm going to hit second and then PMT. You'll notice above that is BGN. Now, this is already in end mode, so I don't have to do anything, but if I hit second, enter, that will change it to begin mode. Now again, here I want end mode, so let's hit second, enter a second time. I'm back in end mode. Now, if I hit second, enter a third time, you'll notice on the right side of the calculator it says BGN on the top there. That tells me it's in begin mode. If I hit second, enter again, I'm in end mode, and that BGN has disappeared. So you can tell what mode your calculator is in. Again, for ordinary annuities, I want to be in end mode. After that, it's going to look similar to our other problems. So this problem, we're going to deposit semi-annually, so my P over Y is 2. N is the years times the compounding periods, so 6 times 2 is 12, which is N. My I over Y is my interest rate, so 8 is I over Y. Now that 3,000, that is money I am paying in twice a year, so that 3,000 is the PMT value. And here we'd like to know what we're going to get in the future, so I'm going to compute the future value. So hit CPT, and then future value. Now, these are made quite often, so I usually expect to get a fairly large number. Now, once again, the calculator gives it to me as a negative, but I will ignore that negative sign, and I get $45,077, and that rounds up to 42 cents. Now, again, that is the total amount, which is going to include all of my deposits as well as the interest. Let's thoroughly clear before my next example. So clear, second FV. Now again, it does not say that I'm in begin mode, so I know I'm in end mode, and I want to be because this is an ordinary annuity. So my next example, these are quarterly deposits. So second P over Y, that needs to be 4, and then let's quit out of there. My N, this is 10 years, so 10 times a year. And I'm doing it 4 times a year, so 40 is N. My I over Y is my interest rate, so 7.2 is I over Y. And again, that 1,000 is the payment. So 1,000 is my PMT, and I would like to compute my future value. Again, I ignore the negative sign. I get 57,851, and that runs up to 12 cents.